Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram full screen problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. And now go to the search and search on Instagram. And now as you see, go to the storage next. Here you will find this clear cache option, click on it. And now go check it if it works. If it didn't work, maybe try to restart your phone. If it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, all your Instagram's data will be deleted. This includes all files, Instagram, databases, settings, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.